welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing another free crochet pattern video. And we're doing 10 again. Alright, let's see what we got. So the first one is the mini chill pill, and it's by Mermaid Crochet. This is what mine looks like. And the next one, there's 4 patterns, so it's like a 4-in-1. And it's by Hekogillian that dancer. So I'm going to put the picture of what it's supposed to look like according to like the pattern designer. So that pattern is more, so it's about fruits. It's 4 different fruits, and I figured they'll be pretty cute as like a backpack tag or a keychain. I got the orange, and this one's supposed to be an apple. We have a pear. Last but not least, a lemon. I love these kind of patterns, like where you're able to make multiple things, and then just right there, and it's a free pattern, so this is pretty cool. Pattern number 5, well, number 6 now. It's a tulip by Monoa Gatsuda. Pretty tulip. And the last one is another like 5-in-1 pattern, but I only did 4 of the design. So they're like fruit baby sea turtles, and it's by Chubby Cheek. For this one, the tutorial's on YouTube, and she goes over all 5. The 5th pattern is like a dragon fruit, so I didn't do that one for this video. So for all the patterns, like she explains pretty well, like went to the color changes. It's very great tutorial on YouTube. So first, this is the watermelon. Next, got the kiwi. Then we have a strawberry. Last but not least, we have a tangerine. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, they all kind of look pretty cute, right? So I'm not sure which one is my favorite in all of these. So all these patterns, like they could make like a great toy, or like a bag tag or a keychain. They're like pretty small in size, and all of them will take you around like an hour or less to make, so they're pretty quick makes for market prepping and things of the sort. So that was all for today's video. It was pretty quick, 10 free pattern. If you would like to see more videos on free crochet patterns, let me know down below in the comments. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Leave me comments on what you would like to see for the future videos. And the next video after this will probably be finally the market recap for the past 3 markets that I've had, and a short video of my table at the Bristol Bazaar consignment store. Thank you so much for sticking around. I hope y'all have a good weekend. All right, bye.